2nd, Semester 4, CBCS syllabus. Paper number 8 is Plant Metabolism. In this paper, unit number 1 is Nitrogen Metabolism. Today we will see about this topic. We'll start this topic with introduction. Plant requires many inorganic elements or the synthesis of different organic substances required for its proper growth and development. Like carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, the element nitrogen is one of the most essential elements for plants and living organisms. It is present in nucleic acid, proteins, growth hormones, and amino acids, which plays an important role in physiological and biological processes. It is present in atmosphere in the form of nitrogen gas. It is 78% by volume and major gas in the atmosphere. Green plants are unable to use this nitrogen directly in their metabolism. Only some microorganisms can convert the nitrogen gas into organic forms. Such microorganisms are responsible for addition of atmospheric nitrogen in organic form in the soil and make it available to the green plants. Like this, nitrogen gas is the major gas in the atmosphere and green plants are unable to use this nitrogen directly in their metabolism. So microorganisms or different type of organisms are important to convert the nitrogen into different forms. Now see the next slide. Nitrogen present in the soil is called soil nitrogen. In the soil, it is present in the form of nitrate nitrogen, ammonia nitrogen, and molecular nitrogen. Green plants absorbs nitrates by nitrite assimilation. Few plants absorb ammonia and ammonium salts from the soil. The conversion of the free nitrogen by natural or physical process is called as nitrogen fixation. When any biological system is involved in the process, then it is called as biological nitrogen fixation, in which atmospheric nitrogen is converted into ammonia. The nitrate nitrogen is absorbed by the plants is converted into ammonia by nitrate reduction process. For the synthesis of organic compounds, nitrates and ammonia are assimilated by plants using enzymes. These enzymes are nitrate reductase and nitrogenase. Some microorganisms or prokaryotic cells can carry out nitrogen fixation due to presence of specific genome and nitrogenase enzyme. Genes which are associated with nitrogen fixation are called as a NIF genes. NIF means nitrogen fixing genes. Now we'll study about the nitrogen cycle. You know that it is an important gas present in the atmosphere. It is in the form of nitrate nitrogen, ammonium nitrogen, and molecular nitrogen, which is required for plant growth. It is an important structural component of amino acids, proteins, enzymes, chlorophylls, and nucleic acid. Soil fertility is directly proportional to the amount of nitrogen in the soil. By physical nitrogen fixation, 10% nitrogen is added in the soil. It occurs during electrical discharges and thunderstorms in rainy season. Atmospheric nitrogen combines with oxygen to produce nitric oxide. By oxidation, nitric oxide produces nitrogen peroxide, which mixes with rainwater, forms nitrous acid and nitric acid. In the form of atmospheric nitrogen, it is added in the soil. The alkaline substances in the soil react with nitric acid and releases nitrates and nitrites. While with the biological nitrogen fixation, 90% nitrogen is added in the soil. So these are two processes by which nitrogen is get added in the soil. First one is physical nitrogen fixation, and second one, which is very important, that is biological nitrogen fixation, through which 90% nitrogen is added in the soil. Now we will study about the different intermediate compounds which are get produced during this process. The atmospheric nitrogen is linked to the soil by nitrogen fixation and denitrification. The green plant obtain nitrogen in form of ammonium nitrates, nitrites, ion compounds. The atmospheric nitrogen is not directly available to the organisms except blue-green algae and bacteria. The root nodule bacteria of leguminous plants fix atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into soluble nitrates. In this process, intermediate compounds are formed, which are N2O, N2O2, HO, NH, NHOH, NH2, NH2. Like this, different intermediate compounds are formed during the process of nitrogen fixation. This figure represents nitrogen cycle in nature. Nitrogen is present in the atmosphere, which is get mixed in the soil through rainfall, lightning, biological nitrogen fixation, blue-green algae. This nitrogen is get added in the soil by bacteria or algae. It forms the nitrogen pool in the soil. In this, ammonifying bacteria, nitrifying bacteria, blue-green algae, these are the important organisms. Then another type of bacteria called as denitrifying bacteria convert this soil nitrogen into the atmospheric nitrogen. So nitrogen from the atmosphere is get mixed in the soil, and from the soil again it get returns in the atmosphere through the denitrifying bacteria. This is called as a nitrogen cycle in nature. Plant, animal death and decay parts are get mixed in the soil, which are important to enhance the soil fertility. Then we will see the stepwise reactions in the nitrogen fixation process. Many organisms feed on plant. After the death of organisms, it is attacked by many bacteria, and these bacteria decompose the proteins of dead organism, and it is converted into ammonia by ammonifying bacteria. This ammonia is converted into soluble ammonium compounds, which are released in soil and water. Ammonium compounds are converted into nitrates by nitrifying bacteria. Let us see the example of nitrifying bacteria. Nitromonas and Nitrobacter are important bacteria to produce the proteins. The stepwise reaction is represented as below. That is, ammonia is converted into the nitrates. with the help of Nitromonas and Nitrobacter. The denitrifying bacteria carry out reverse reaction. They break nitrates and nitrites and ammonium compounds into molecular nitrogen and are given back to the atmosphere. The denitrifying bacteria and sedimentation are responsible for reducing fertility of soil. The nitrogen loss in the biosphere is due to denitrification process and sedimentation process. It is balanced by different processes like nitrogen fixation, nitrification, volcanic release of ammonia, oxidation of nitrogen gas by thunder and lightning during the rainy season, and weathering of rocks. Through these processes, it is get balanced. Nitrogen loss is also compensated by addition of organic manures, nitrogenous fertilizers to the soil to maintain the fertility status. The nitrogen cycle consists of different main steps like nitrogen fixation, nitrogen assimilation, nitrogen ammonification, nitrification, denitrification, and sedimentation. This was about nitrogen cycle in the atmosphere. Thank you.